the online classes, class 9, English, Moments, chapter 10, topic is the beggar. This lesson speaks about a beggar lost calf to change his way, how his life from a beggar to a good person, drunkard to a honest person, good person, and who change and how change. Very beautiful, and we shall start these lessons. The writer Anton Chekhov written this lesson, and we shall discuss this chapter. And I hope you, all of you, listen well. You will understand very well. Now, kind sir, have pity, turn your attentions to a poor, hungry man. For 3 days I have had nothing to eat. I haven't 5 kopecks for a lodging. I swear it before God. For 8 years I was a village school teacher, and then I lost my place through intrigue. I fell a victim to calumny. It is a year now since I have had anything to do. Now, this beggar's dialogue, this beggar spoke to the lawyer or to the advocate Sergei. Yes, Sergei. To this lawyer, the beggar spoke, ki, what? I am a hungry person. Yes, for 3 days I have not eaten. I have only 5 kopecks. I have no 5 kopecks, means I am in Russian currency for staying at lodge. By promise of God, I can say, for 8 years I was a school village teacher. Village school I am master. Village school master. But now, and then I lost my place through intrigue means secret plans. Yes, I fell a victim of calumny. Calumny is false. Someone by lie threw me out of the school, and now I have nothing to do. Please help me. He spoke to advocate Sergei. Look at the ragged, fawn-colored overcoat at the suppliant, at his dull, drunken eyes. Now look at the ragged means very rough. Fawn-colored means yellowish brown color overcoat, and of the suppliant means humble plea at his dull, drunken eye. This person was drinking. And at the red spot on either cheek, दोनों cheek की तरफ लाल लाल दाग है. And it seemed to him as if he had seen this man somewhere before. As it appeared, what appeared? कि इसको कभी देखे हैं. Let's see. Now Sergei doubted that this fellow somewhere else he had seen. I have now had an offer of a position in the province of Kaluga. The mendicant went on. Now this mendicant means this beggar. Go on there. In other school they have offered that I will go to other place for job. I am ashamed to ask. मुझे शर्म लग रहा है किसी को मांगने के लिए, but I am obliged to by circumstances. Yeah, what obligation that without your help I cannot. I hope, please help me. Sergei's eye fell on the man's overshoes. Sergei means lawyer's eye, the advocate's eye, उस भिखारी के पैर तरफ आया. Yes, one of which was high and other low. एक जूता बड़ा है, शू एक छोटा है. And he suddenly remembered something. Yeah, कुछ दिमाग में आया. क्या आया? Look here, it seems to me I met you the day before yesterday in Sadovia Street. Now Sergei remember. Yes, this person yesterday also you met me in another place, Sadovia Street, and you were the same person you are asking. At the time you told another lie, he told, but you told me then that you were a student. उस टाइम में तो मुझे स्टूडेंट का झूठ बोले थे. What been expelled, उनको स्कूल से भगा दिया गया. And now a village school teacher, do you remember? That once we were telling a student and once we were telling a teacher. Yes, we are telling double lie. Yes, you forgot. No, 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 no. That can't be so. Mumble means mumble, whispered the beggar. Taken aback means try to avoid this situation. I am a village school teacher, and if you like, I can show you my paper. Yes, if you prove that, I can show you paper that I am a village teacher. Now, after saying this, what the reaction of the advocate, sir? Let's see. Have done with lying. You call yourself a student and leave and told me what you had been expelled for. Don't you remember? Once you tell student, once you telling teacher. Sir, he plost means got angry. Plost means got angry and turned from the rugged creature with an expression of disgust. Disgust means offensive. And try to behave like that, you liar. This is dishonesty, my dear sir. He, he cried angrily. Yes, this is dishonesty, my dear sir. He cried angrily. This is swindling. I shall send the police for you, damn you. What is? This is dishonesty means beimani. As you are doing this type of behavior, as you are cheating a person for money, then I will send you to jail, or I send the police for you, damn you. Now, as the truth was revealed, then after this thief told, the drunkard, the beggar told, sir, he said, laying his hand on his heart and asked, the fact is I was lying. मैं झूठ बोल रहा था. I am neither a student nor a teacher. All that was fiction, that is an imaginary story, or not real. Formerly, I sang in a Russian choir and was sent away for drunkenness. Yes, because of I drunkard, I am no more in job. I sent away means I was expelled from my job. Okay, but what else can I do? I can get along without lying. झूठ बिना झूठ के तो मैं जी नहीं पा रहा था. No one will give me anything when I tell the truth. What can I do? सच बोलने से कोई नहीं देंगे. That's why I was always telling lie. What can you do? Who chose Sergey? You ask what you can do, cried Sergey, coming close to him. Walk. That's what you can do. You must walk. It's okay? Walk, yes. I know that myself. But where can I find work? Yes. The job कहाँ मिलेगा? Who will give me job in this condition? How would you like to then see? So what the answer for? So here advocate told, yes, work, yes, I know that myself. But at the time, what the answer by advocate? How would you like to chop wood for me? Yes, how would you like to chop wood for me? क्या तुम मेरे लिए लकड़ी काट सकते हो? Who told? Advocate told to this beggar. Okay. Then see, I would not request to do that. But in these days, even skilled woodcutters find themselves sitting without bread. Yes. At the time, this beggar was ready to cut the wood because the skilled woodcutters, they were not getting job, but he was not a woodcutter, but he thought that anyway, I agree to cut my woods. Okay. Will you come and chop wood for me? Yes, sir, I will, he told beggar. Very well, you will soon find out. Okay. Sergey hastened around. Sergey बहुत तुरंत ही गया. Rubbing his hands, he called his cook out of the kitchen. Yes. Now, Sergey and beggar, both of them went to this place. Sergey, quick to go, rubbing his hands, he called his cook out of the kitchen. Cook Olga. He went and told all this about to one of the cook, the new worker. Here Olga is the cook. He said, Sergey said, take this gentleman into the wood shed and let him chop wood. इसको ले जाओ wood काटते जहाँ पर he will got wood there. Okay. When it was told, the scarecrow of a beggar shrugged his shoulders. Scarecrow means a person of fear, badly dressed. This beggar, scarecrow, is the crow. Its decoration in a field that a crow fears this one type of ghost type person. Shrugged means raise his shoulders, try to do the work. As if in perplexity means in a inability or bewilderness. Yes, उसके मतलब जो अक्षमता में, without her his ability. Okay, and when irresolutely means hesitantly after the cook के पीछे जैसे कि कुछ नहीं आता ऐसे चलते हुए गया. It is obvious from his gait means it was known from. Obvious means clear from. His gait means way of walking that. He had not consented to go. इसको जाने की इच्छा नहीं, because he don't know how to cut the wood. And chop wood because he was hungry and wanted food. पहले तो उसको भूख लग रहा है और उसको काम भी चाहिए. But simply from pride and shame, एक घमंड और शर्म के लिए, and because he had been trapped by his own words, जो बोला था कि nobody is getting the job, but anyway he got the job. That's why he had to do the works. Okay, it is obvious too that this trend had been undermined by vodka. Vodka is one type of alcoholic spirit of Russian origin. Okay, one of the wine. Okay, and that his strength had been undermined. उसका जो ताकत, उसका जो पावर उस शराब से ही दिन ब दिन घट चुका है. And that he was unhealthy, he was not in good condition and did not feel the slightest inclination for toil. Not as he did not show any act of labor, act of any work, because he had no more strength. Yes, inclination means act for, toil means hard work. Sergey hurried into the dining room. Sergey वो अपने डाइनिंग रूम में चले गए. From its window, अपने खिड़की सब से देखे, one could see the wood shed, अपने जो लकड़ी काटने की जगह को देख सकते हैं. Everything that went on in the yard, कुछ भी जो हो रहा है वो नज़र दे सकते हैं. Standing at the window, सर्गी जो खिड़की पास खड़े हैं. सर्गी saw the cook and the beggar came out into the yard. यार्ड के अंदर आए दोनों, the beggar and Olga the cook. Okay, yard by the back door, पीछे डोर से अंदर को आए, and make their way across the dirty snow of the shed. उस सैडर the house के जो पुराना ही गंदा वाला जो बर्फीला जगह के अंदर उन दोनों चले गए. Olga glared wrathfully. Olga गुस्से में है, wrathful means in anger, at her companion. Olga अपना जो साथी को देखा, shoved him aside with her elbow. Shoved means pushed him aside with her elbow. अपने elbow से धक्का मारा. तू काम करने आया है कि जस्ट घूमने आया है, ऐसे मुक्का मारा या ऐसे elbow से. ठीक है. Unlocked the shed means opened the shed. Shed means that wood house, and angrily banged the door. पूरे गुस्से में डोर को तो खोला with a sound. Next, he saw the shadow teacher set himself on a log and become lost in thought with his red cheeks resting on his face. Now, next he saw, और वो क्या देखा? Shadow teacher means very fake teacher, not real teacher. Who is fake teacher here? This person, beggar, set himself on a log and become lost in thought. वो लकड़ी में बैठ गया है और सोच रहा है. With his red cheeks resting on his fist, ऐसे ही सोच रहा है बैठ के. तो उसको कुछ करना नहीं है, दो men flung down an axe at his feet. अब एक तो कुल्हाड़ी मतलब काटते हैं जो लकड़ी उसको लेके फेंका कि this the axe, you can start cutting. Spat angrily, yeah, shouted angrily, okay, and judging from the expression of her lips, उसके मुंह से हम देख सकते हैं, judging, counting that house, this lady was angry lady began to scold him और उसको डांटना शुरू कर दिया. The beggar irresolutely means agitatedly pulled the billet of wood. एक तो बेगर कोशिश किया लकड़ी काटने के लिए, yes, towards him, set it off between his feet, और दोनों लकड़ी को लेके काटने के लिए अपनी जगह में लिया है, try to cut this wood, yes, and tapped it feebly with an axe. Feebly means weakly, axe को जोर के पकड़ के मारने के लिए जा रहा है. The billet means that this is the thick piece of this wood, wavered and fell down, हिल के गिर गया. The beggar again pulled it to him. beggar फिर से मारने के लिए कोशिश किया. Blew on his freezing hands, yeah, और अपने भी ठंडा हाथ से उसको फिर से हिलाया. And tapped it with his axe casually, और उसके axe से फिर से वो मारने की कोशिश किया. Yeah. Then as if afraid of hitting his overshoe, जैसे कि मान रहा था अपने पैर में लग जाए, or of cutting of his finger, either his finger may cut. He doesn't know the skill of cutting woods. This beggar. Okay, the stick of wood again fell on the ground. Yes, stick or the wood fell on the ground and he failed to cut the wood. It's okay. Sergei's anger had vanished and he now began to feel a little sorry and ashamed of himself for having set a spoiled, drunken, perhaps sick man to work at manual labor in the cold. Sergei, that advocate, ऐसे जो भिखारी को ले काम के लिए लाया है वो अपने लिए दुखी हुआ. क्यों हुआ? Angered and vanished, गुस्सा, and now began to feel little sorry, बहुत दुखी है, and ashamed of himself, अपने में दुख है, for having said a spoiled means rejected, to the beggar, drunkard, शराबी है, perhaps sick man, बीमार है जो कि ताकत नहीं है इसके पास, to work at manual means on skilled labor in the cold. Now, Sergei in this paragraph, we can see Sergei was a kind person. As he was bodily, but now he could show her feelings of sorry and sympathy to this beggar. Okay? An hour later, Olga came in and announced that the wood had all been chopped. Olga declared. What declared? कि सब लकड़ी कट चुका है. It's work is over. Good. When Sergei knew, wow, he has done the work. Good. Give him half a ruble. Ruble means Russian currency. Yes. Said Sergei, if he wants to, he can come back and cut wood on the first day of each month. उसको और आगे चल के लकड़ी काटना है हर महीने का पहला दिन में. He can come and cut the wood and get money. Okay, we can always find work for him. So you are most welcome for any next term. Okay. On the first of the month, the wife means the homeless person, this beggar, made his appearance. हर महीने के पहले दिन हाजिर. Yes, and again earned half a ruble, और एक ruble, half ruble उसको मिल जा रहा है. Let's see. Although he could barely stand on his legs, जबकि वो अपने पैर में खड़ा नहीं पाता है, but he can get half ruble every month's first day. From that day on, he often appeared in the yard, and every time work was found for him. From that day, उस दिन की आगे से, मतलब often appeared in the yard, जब भी वो यार्ड में आता है, उसको काम की करने जहाँ आता है, and every time work was found for him. Oh, anytime he came, he got the job. Now he could shovel snow. Shovel is the thing you can remove snow, and put the wood sets in order. wood set को सही से सजाना है. Now beat the dust out of rocks से dust को क्या करना, साफ करना है. And mattresses, the rocks and mattresses had to clean all the walls. Yes, every time he received from 20 to 40 kopecks, sometimes 20, sometimes 40 kopecks by doing all this work he got. And once even a pair of old trousers were sent out of him. Yes, आखिर में 2 जोड़ा उसको पैंट भी मिला. Yes, he got all these things. So we can see this that he got all these things. Then afterward, when Sergei moved into another house, he hired him to help in the packing. अभी सर्गी अपने घर शिफ्ट किए और सर्गी को भी बुलाया. He called for beggar, and what beggar did in the packing and hauling means carrying of the furniture. This time the wife was sober. Wife means the homeless person. The beggar was sober means not wrong, and gloomy means not happy, and silent. पूरा एक मुंह फूला के कुछ भी काम नहीं करने टाइप ऐसे आ गया है. He hardly touched the furniture. मुश्किल में कोई फर्नीचर को छू भी नहीं रहा था. And walked behind the wagon hanging his head. और जैसे वैगन जो जाता था वो अपना सर झुका के चल रहा है, काम नहीं कर रहा. All the workers they are doing work, but he was not doing. Yes, not even making a pretense of appearing busy. Appearing busy means by the work, by the expression, we should see that the person who at work, but this person did not show any appearance that he is at work. Just like lethargy, lazy time, उनके बीच में जो काम कर रहे हैं खड़ा हो गया है. Yes, he only shivered in the cold, हिल रहा था, and became embarrassed when the carters mean the who carry the cart, jeered at him, is just rude at him for his idleness. उन लोग चिड़े कि काम करने आया कि खड़ा है. When they saw scolded at him, they became embarrassed. He only embarrassed. उसको अजीब सा लगा, खराब लगा. His feebleness means weakness, no strength, and his tattered means very rough type dress, fancy overcoat, वो फटा पुराना कोट को पहना है. After the moving was over, yes, आगे चले काम हो गया, कुछ भी नहीं किया उनके बीच में. He was in between them. Sergei sent for him. सर्गी उसको भेजा. Yes, Sergei sent for him. Now, well, I am happy that my words have taken effect, he said. Now Sergei told कि what I told, he obeyed. Handing him a ruble, एक ruble दिया गया to this beggar. There is for your pains. Oh, he did not do a single job, but Sergei, the advocate, was happy with his job. What a fool advocate also, or what a kind person, and the advocate also. Whatever I can say. I see you are sober, and I have no objections to you. You are sober. Yes, still you don't reject to do work. You are ready. What's your name? Tell me your name. Now he told, my name is Loskov. The beggar told. Well, Loskov, I can now offer you some other cleaner employment. Can you write? क्या तुम्हें लिखने आता है? And then that beggar told, yes, I can write. Then take this letter to a friend of mine tomorrow, and you will be given some copying to it. Yes, and you take a paper, take a letter, and you go to my friend and you give one of the copy to my friend. Okay, work hard, don't drink. Yes, मेहनत कीजिए और शराब मत पीजिए. And remember what I have said to you, and मेरी बात याद रखिए. And goodbye. In this way, Sergei good farewell the beggar to another job. Okay, pleased at having put a man on the right path. Yes. Then after Sergei beggar was Laskov the beggar was happy because he showed him right path. Sergei tapped Laskov's kindly on the shoulder and even gave him his hand at parting. Okay, handshake and gave a hand and told bye bye. In this way, he showed his sympathy and kindness and love to the beggar. Sergei showed his love to the beggar. Okay. Then after what happened? Laskov took the letter and from that day, from forth, came no more to the yard for work. Then after he did not come for work. Okay. 2 years went by. 2 साल गुजर चुका है. Then one evening, as Sergei was standing at the ticket window of a theatre paying for his seat. Now 2 साल के बाद Sergei and this beggar Laskov met with each other in a theatre. Okay. As Sergei was standing at the ticket window of a theatre paying for his seat. टिकट सीट के लिए Sergei खड़ा है, सिनेमा देखने गए हैं. He noticed a little man beside him. उसके पीछे एक छोटा सा व्यक्ति खड़ा हुआ है with coat collar of curly fur. कलर पर curly fur से है, टिप टॉप है. And a warm sealskin cap. Sealskin का एक कैप पहना है, कितना बढ़िया वाला, very fine looking. This little individual timidly means cowardly asked the ticket seller for a seat in a gallery and paid for it in copper pence. Copper coins. So in copper pence, pay for both of us. Yeah. What told? This little individual timidly asked the ticket seller for a seat in a gallery and paid for it in copper coins. Laskov, is that you? Sergei cried, identified Laskov. Okay. Recognizing in the little man his former wood chopper. How are you? Now the advocate remembered. Okay, what are you doing? How is everything with you? Now ask every details and condition of this beggar. All right, I am a notary. Notary means one of the typewriter in the law advocacy. Now I am paid 35 rubles a month. एक महीने में 35 rubles पा रहा हूँ. I have sufficient earning. I am happy now. Thank heaven. Now here this fellow, this beggar is giving thanks to Sergei and her cook, his cook Olga. Thank heaven. That's fine. I am delighted for your sake. I am very very glad. Laskov, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Why? You see, you are my godson. Yes, in a sense, I gave you a push along the right path. You know, do you remember what a roasting I gave you? Now, advocate told like that, you are my godson. Do you know godson means to whom we care more? In a sense, I gave you push along the right path. मैं तुमको right path के लिए धकेला था. You know, do you remember about roasting means scorching? I gave you, तुमको तकलीफ भी दिया, काम दिया इतना hard का work to chop the wood. Yeah, I nearly had you sinking into the ground at my feet, and that day मैं ground में जैसे कि जमीन में गिरने के लिए दिया. मतलब I gave you too much punishment, work that you were just suffering a lot. Thank you, old man, for not forgetting my words. Yes, thank you, old man, for not forgetting my words. कि मेरे शब्द को तुम नहीं भूले. That's why I'm giving thanks. Now, in this way, as Sergei told, then after what Laskov, this beggar, told, thank you to said Laskov, if I hadn't come to you, और मैं तुम्हारे पास नहीं आया होता, then I might still have been calling myself a teacher or a student to this day. तो मैं ऐसे ही उल्लू बनाता कि मैं टीचर हूँ, मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ. I will be lying, and by that I will be a liar. Okay, and flying to your protection, I dragged myself out of pit. Yeah, in this way, I dragged means I pulled myself to the map के जहाँ गड्ढे में गिर जाता. I was no more be a good person means I may die. So I am very glad indeed. Now this beggar was happy that because of Sergei his life is changed. Thank you for your kind words and deeds. Yes, you who told? I am very grateful to you, cook. Now Sir, beggar is thanking to cook also. God bless that good and noble woman. You spoke finely then, and I shall be indebted to you to my dying day. Yes, I shall be indebted to you to my dying day. He's telling to cook, who जो मेरे मरे हुए दिनों में you look cared me, you thought about me, you provided me, you helped me. But strictly speaking, it was your cook, Olga, who said me. तुम्हारा जो सर कुक सर है होगा है because of Olga. Now I am. How is that? When I used to come to your house to chop wood, she used to begin. जब मैं तुम्हारे घर लकड़ी काटने के लिए आता था, और क्या बिहेव दिखाती दिखी, पहले पहले गुस्सा हो जाती. Oh, you sought me, said habitual drunkard. Oh, you miserable creature. Oh, means पूरा miserable मतलब पूरा गरीब प्राणी, animal. There is nothing for you but ruin. तुमको कुछ नहीं, तो मतलब तुम सर्वनाश हो जाओ. पहले गाली देती थी. And then she would sit down opposite me. उसके बाद आके मेरे पीछे बैठ के and grew sad. And that lady became unhappy. Look into my face and weep. Then after that lady used to see my face. Then after starts crying. Oh, you unlucky man. Yes, very unfortunate, बदकिस्मत इंसान. There is no pleasure for you in this world. इस दुनिया में तुम्हारे कोई आनंद नहीं है. There will be none in this world to come. ना इस दुनिया में कोई तुम्हारे आएगा. You drunkard. This Olga, this could behave like this. You will born in hell. नरक में तड़पोगे. Oh, you unhappy one. In this way, this lady starts scolding, and so she would carry on. You know, in that strength, in that pressure, I can't tell you how much misery she suffered. In this way, after scolding, she wept and said and cried. Then after, she wished to cut wood for me. I can't tell you how much misery she suffered, how many tears she shed for my sake. I can't. मेरे लिए कितना वो महिला दर्द उठाई. But the chief thing was, she used to chop the wood for me. But the very important thing is that कि मेरे लिए लकड़ी काटती थी. Anyway, I am here because of her. Do you know, sir, that I did not chop one single stick of wood for you? क्या तुमको मालूम नहीं है? मैं उसके लिए एक भी not a single wood I chopped. That means she did it all. She cut the wood for me. Why this saved me? Why I changed? I am in this now the noble condition. I am the doctor in the job and good job because of her. Why I stopped drinking at the side of her? I can't explain. कि उसके साइड में कैसे मैं शराब पीना drinking alcohol, the wine I stopped. Do you know why? I only know that owing to her words and noble deeds, a change took place in my heart. मेरे हृदय में पूरा बदलाहट आया. She set me right and I shall never forget it. She changed my life. She made me a good person. That type of life, what she changed me, I will never forget. However, it is time to go now. The time has come that we shall depart. There goes the bell. Now time is off. Yes. Luskov bowed and departed to the gallery. In this way, after the conversation, Luskov bowed to this circle and departed to his own destination. So, in this way, the story finishes. And in this lesson, we can see that how kind work of this Olga the cook also serves kind heart. This type of beggar, liar, and drunkard person from bad condition to become a good person. It is a great change because of their love and care. So I can say you students, so this moral is more important in our life. This is the last chapter of English moments. I hope you study well. So we shall continue our online classes. So hope you see you once again in next period. So have a good day and goodbye.